All right, here's our first trail, Canes Creek Trail. I'm guessing that's where we're gonna go. So let's see what happens, Macy. Here we have someone's deciding where we're going. Do you want to go that way? Which way? So we either go Canes Creek Trail, Eagle Spur Trail, back where we came from, and back where we came from. All right, Macy, I'm gonna let you pick, okay? So you pick a spot, and we're gonna go. We either go that way, or we go that way. Go ahead. Well, we're not going that way, so I'm gonna need you to pick something else. Come on. All right, lead the way. Where are we going? All right, this trail it is. So we're gonna finish Eagle Spur Trail. Tried to get it to where you guys could see, but here you go. Mama, get some of that. It's good stuffs. Easy. Oh. Oof. My toes. Hold on. Ugh. All right, good girl. Oh, shit. Look at that. When nature calls, am I right? You know what I'm saying? It's my first time here and my name's already on trees. You get to pick where we go. Hold on, hold on. Let me give you the options, girl. Let me give you the options. All right. So we could go to the observation blind, which is 1.29 that way. We can finish this Wilson Spring Trail, which looks to be right up there because it's not far. We can do the Eagle Spur Trail still, or the Canes Creek Trail. You tell me, which one do you want to do? Hold on, let's think about it. Think about it. All right, where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? I know, it's a hard decision. I know. Do you want to walk 1 point something? 1.29 was it? Yeah. 1.3 miles? Pick. Which one? You sure you want to do it? All right. 1.29, here we come. Woo. Talk about being drenched in sweat. Should have brought a sweat rag. Out here in the wild, we find the weirdest mushroom. I think it's a mushroom, or it looks like cheese on top of a tomato. I don't know, one of the two. It is definitely sweaty. Did you say hi to the camera? Oh, all right. Well, can't go that way. I don't know if we're allowed to go down that way, but I think we're gonna try, because we obviously can't go there. It says stop, sensitive area, no trespassing, violators subject to fine. So